Did you know that only 8% of people actually achieve their New Year's resolutions? Yeah, that means 92% of us are out here making big promises, and then immediately forgetting about them. But don't worry, I'm here to make sure you don't end up in that sad statistic. Today we're talking about how to finally upgrade your life and get your act together. Welcome. If you're watching this, congratulations. You've at least considered self-improvement. That's step 1. Step 2, actually doing something about it. Whether you want to be more productive, break bad habits, or just stop hitting snooze 17 times every morning, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down real, practical ways to upgrade your life without all the fluffy, generic, just work hard advice. Here's the harsh truth. Most of us are our own worst enemies. We say we want to change, but we procrastinate like champions. We plan to be productive. Right after one more episode, we try to wake up early, but somehow end up scrolling TikTok until 2 a.m. Sound familiar? Thought so. Life is full of distractions, excuses, and moments where you just don't feel like it. And that's why most people never actually make the changes they want. But lucky for you, I have a game plan. Let's get into it. Your brain is like that one friend who always says, let's just stay in tonight instead of doing something productive. You need to retrain it to see challenges as opportunities, not reasons to quit. Think of it like a video game. The harder the level, the more XP you gain, except in real life, XP equals money, success, and not feeling like a failure. Big goals sound nice, but they're useless if you have zero plan. Instead of I'm going to be rich, try I'll save $50 every week. Instead of I'm going to get in shape, try I'll walk for 20 minutes every day. Small steps are greater than big, unrealistic dreams that fizzle out in 2 weeks. I don't have time. Lies. You had time to binge an entire season of that show last weekend. Try time blocking. Schedule tasks like appointments so you actually stick to them. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a short break. Repeat until you feel like an actual functioning human. No, self-care isn't just bubble baths and candles, it's getting enough sleep, eating real food and not treating coffee as a meal. Exercise equals more energy. Sleep equals less brain fog. Drinking water equals not feeling like a shriveled up raisin. Do these things and suddenly life feels a lot less like a chaotic mess. Now, if there's one thing that will actually change your life, it's this. Building consistent habits. No magic tricks, no overnight transformations, just small daily actions that add up over time. Make your bed every morning. Boom, instant productivity boost. Meditate for 10 minutes a day. Boom, your brain stops acting like a browser with 100 tabs open. Write down one thing you accomplished every night. Boom, proof that you're making progress. Consistency is the difference between people who succeed and people who just talk about it. Alright, let's wrap this up. Upgrading your life is simple, but not easy. Shift your mindset. Treat challenges like stepping stones. Set realistic goals. Small, actionable, not ridiculous. Manage your time. Stop pretending you don't have any. Take care of yourself, because burnout makes everything worse. Be consistent, because one workout won't give you abs, but 100 will. Do these things, and you'll be ahead of 92% of people who are still waiting for Monday. What's one small habit that's actually improved your life? Drop it in the comments. Let's steal each other's good ideas. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now go be productive, or at least pretend to be.